Welcome to Bo Ventures. Today we have another Doorables video. We finally found the Series 10 Doorables at Toys R Us here in Canada. They were released earlier this summer, but luckily we found some, so we're able to open them up today for an opening video. Are you super excited?
Yeah!
Theo was saying that he wanted to find the Winnie the Pooh special edition. And Zuri, which one did you want to find? She wanted the Tiana special edition one?
And also Disney one.
So the fun thing about the Series 10, it's all about Disney 100. So they have some special edition figurines of all of the most popular Disney shows, and they have like a little 100 theme. We found a Minnie Mouse one. We'll show you a little bit closer up there in one of our mini packs in the short video. But let's see if we can find any more, okay?
Yeah.
So we'll start with this box here in my hands, and this is F68 for a code on the bottom. So we're gonna open it up, and how many doors do we have?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We have 7 doors. Oh my!
No, I thought it was gonna be 6.
Okay, we'll let you open the first one and see.
What? Because he's the littlest.
Okay, here's the first one. Are you able to open it?
Yeah.
And it's number 69 on the back.
And open it. I could help you.
Oh. You got it start. Good.
Whoa.
Okay, pull it now. Pull. Who do you have in there? It is
I was to say that too.
Is that from Robin Hood?
Yeah.
Maid Marian. Here, let's see
You
it.
can have it.
So we got Maid Marian for the first one. Let's see if you can see that there. And then let's open the second door. And Zuri's gonna open the next one. Here we go. I started it for you. The big's number 52. And you got Mike Wazowski! Looks like the little Mike Wazowski from Monsters University. That's a good one. Okay. Then we got one for Mommy to open. Number 58. I'll get the next door ready.
Okay, when is in? Oh my goodness, it's Mo!
We got Mo.
I got Mo!
Mommy, I know what he is. Mommy.
From Wally.
Mommy, Mo is the green one.
And we got number 30.
Oh no.
Mommy.
Oh, Mo.
Oh, Mo.
Yep, Mo is a rare one.
Mo's a really rare one.
Just a rare
He's
one.
I can't get his shit.
Okay, so next we have number 30. Let's open it up and see. It is
Moana.
Moana.
I never
It's a fun
played
one.
with that.
Everyone make way.
Make way.
There. And our next one is number 19, Theo. Let's take it out. Who'd you get? Ooh,
Wow.
it's from Ratatouille.
I love Ratatouille. It's my favorite.
Remember? He's the chef.
I watched that
He has a
2
little chef
times.
in his hat.
Yeah, I like that movie. I want to watch that again for the next movie night.
Do you remember his name?
His name is Linguini.
Linguini? Why his name is that? Linguini. I didn't.
He's got a little chef in his
know
hat too.
That's right.
Okay, Missouri. Number 90. 90 on the bag.
90.
Open it up.
What's in there?
Who is this?
Ooh, looks like from Atlantis.
I
Oh.
don't remember watching that movie.
What's his name again? Milo.
That's a cute name.
And he is a rare one as well. Okay, and the last one of this pack. The bag's number 77. Here you go.
77.
Okay, let's open it
I'm
up.
gonna give it to mommy.
And it is
Oh.
a special edition Stitch.
Whoa! I did not know that was in this.
Look at this one.
It's so shiny. I'm so shiny.
That's a fun one. We have 2 special editions now, Stitch, and we'll put Minnie up here too. And that's the first box, number F68 for that box with the special edition Stitch.
And then next time we are gonna have 2 more boxes.
Okay, we have our next box. Open it up. How many
Okay,
doors do we
How
have?
many doors?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We have another 7.
Another
We have 2 boxes with 7.
Okay, door number 1.
It's for
I
the
think
youngest for Theo.
Yeah, for Theo.
I couldn't
Oh, you're gonna
have
start it for him? Oh, okay.
Theo, I don't know. You guys could have
He's
some
got it.
shiny
And this bag's number 16.
things.
Pull it open, Theo. Who'd you get? Oh, is it Remy or is it his? I think it's Remy.
Yeah, it is Remy. What other rat would have a spoon?
It is Remy. You never know, one of his friends. We got Remy and Linguini in the last box.
Oh, that's awesome. Little chef.
Okay, our next
Door
one.
number 2, 74. Or, no, I lied. 14 on the back.
14. For Zuri.
there you go.
Rip it open. What'd you get? Is it Geppetto? Is
Yeah, it is. It's from Pinocchio.
it? From Pinocchio.
It's too scary for me.
There's Geppetto.
It has the fox and he's really scary.
Okay.
He can be.
Yeah. I've only seen that once, eh?
No. Okay, 61. We're gonna give this one to Daddy.
Why?
61.
He hasn't opened any yet.
Yeah?
Oh, it's Arlo.
I don't want to.
We have an Arlo from our mini pack.
We
But
do.
I
can
need
show
it
you.
because I lost one.
You lost him already?
Yeah.
There's Arlo.
But that was T-Rex.
Okay, let's see.
Who
Door
gets to
number
open that?
4, Theo.
Theodore, why you didn't open yet?
Oh, I'll take a turn soon.
34 is, what is it, Theo?
I think it's...
Oh,
Oh, a new one.
we got him the same pack as Arlo too.
Hector, right?
Is it Hector? From Coco. I really like this one though. He has a gold tooth.
He does. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Hector.
Now who's gonna
Coco.
open it?
Okay, and door number 5. Number 78.
78, door 5. Oh! Special edition, Winnie the Pooh.
It's like now we have 3 special editions.
We got another special edition in the 7-pack. This one's Winnie the Pooh.
Okay, door number
Are
6.
we giving it to Daddy?
No, Theo's.
Why?
Number
Yeah, Theo can open
9.
it. Number 9. Who is he? Ooh. Is he from Atlantis too?
I think so. The haircut looks like someone from
It is Vinny from Atlantis.
Vinny.
Not one of our most watched ones. But that's Vinny. Put him by Milo. Boop.
He looks like he
Last.
looks like a hairstyle.
He did. He had a fun cut. Okay, last door. Zuri
I know how to
can open it.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? It is
Another one.
Wally.
I love Wally.
2
We
Wallies.
got 2
They're
Wallies.
like,
Now me.
now we can have multiple ones for all of us.
That's right. I can bring one with me to work.
No, I could have it.
So that is our 2 packs that we opened of the Doorables Series 10 Disney 100. We got 2 special editions, 1 in each, and we got 7 in each pack. So in each pack you can get 5, 6, or 7. 5 is the base, so we got really lucky to get 7 in both of them.
Mm-hmm.
And we got Stitch and Winnie the Pooh for special editions.
And there's no Minnie Mouse, so now we have 3.
Yeah, so we added to our previous one that we got.
And the box that we did, this last one was box F57.
F57 had Winnie the Pooh. So thank you for watching. That was such a fun time opening some new Doorables that we've been waiting for to get here in Canada. And remember,
Both
adventures
adventures
is
is
over.
over.
Bye-bye.